All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2016 Toyota Sienna. It is the XLE model, this beautiful black with the gray leather interior, 8 passengers on this one, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, roof rack, sunroof, heated seats, shoot! Fog lights, super nice, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your hood looks pretty decent. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice NLC curbing. Your tire right here is over 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Does seem to have a little chippy there. This rear door looks good. This quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Tire thread. Just at the line is 730 seconds, just under it. This is a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. That's what your sunroof looks like. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. It's your front driver's seat. It is a powered seat. I don't see any holes, tails, or rips. I do see a little singe mark though. Boom. Jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. It does come with 2 key fob combos. Boom, right there. 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. All right, turn on the lights. Because you got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right there. You got your backup camera. Pow! You got your AC controls right down below. Boom, it is dual AC controls, as you can see. All right, does have your traffic map there. Pow! Got your heated seats. Boom. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for tire pressure and your mods of 35899. You got your blind spot stuff, sensors and stuff like that. You got your little heated, vents for the side of the truck. Looks good. Oh yeah, you also have these little things here. Open up all your stuff here. All right, all that good stuff. Of course, this is what your rear passenger seat looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is missing your headrest there. It's got a rear running ACs and AC controls right here. And then, of course, this is what your that middle seat there you can take out and store in the back. And I'll show you that in a second. It does have automatic doors that close up. Very nice. Coming around, rear bumper looks pretty decent. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. These seats do fold out like that, like it says there. And of course, if you want to see it down, just check out pictures for more details. You got a little button here, automatic goes down and up. Your rear deck lid here looks pretty good. Your quarter on this side looks pretty decent. Does have some scuffing here, about 6 inches right here. So here's our rear driver's rim. Very nice NLC curbing. And tire thread is at 630 seconds. This door here has a few chips. 1, 2, 3, 4 chips on this door. The rest of it looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. I didn't show you guys your third rows, but that's what they look like. No holes, no tears, no rips back here. All right, a little button closes this stuff. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips, and there's a powered seat as well. Front fender here looks good. Front passenger rim looks nice. And the tire thread is at 1230 seconds. Let me double check it. It's at 1130 seconds. Fog lights are working. Car is on. Things look beautiful. Folks, once again, this is a 2016 Toyota Sienna XLE 8-passenger van with 35,000 miles. If you guys have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.